Welcome to FP Markets. In this quick video, we will be going over the steps you need to follow to fund your FP Markets trading account using cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. Firstly, make sure you're logged into the client portal. You will need your email, password, and PIN to sign in. Once you are inside the client portal, you can either go to the left-hand side menu of the main page, select Funding, and then click on Deposit. Alternatively, you can just choose the deposit option straight from your dashboard. A new window will open where you will be asked to choose the account you want to fund. At FP Markets, you can use cryptocurrencies to fund MT4, MT5, CTrader, and TradingView accounts, both US dollar and euro based. After selecting your account, 4 payment options will appear. You need to select the third one to make a deposit using crypto. After choosing crypto as your preferred payment method, you will get a list of 6 different assets and networks. These are USDT, i.e. Tether via the TRC20 and ERC20 network, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Binance. You can make a crypto deposit using all 6. For the purposes of this video, we will be choosing Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and select Bitcoin. Now we have to enter an amount. You can choose any of the pre-designated amounts listed here, or enter a custom amount. I will choose $100 and press the deposit button. Although FP Markets has 0 transaction fees, please note that you may be charged network and gas fees by your selected network provider. In this new window, you can check your deposit summary details and proceed to complete the transaction. You can see the amount, exchange rate, and the crypto payment link. To complete the transaction, you can either scan the QR code using your mobile camera or copy and paste the link into your crypto exchange provider's website. All crypto deposits are instant, so as soon as this process is completed, the funds will be immediately available in your trading account. With FP Markets, you can also fund your account on mobile or tablet by following the exact same steps. Feel free to reach out to one of our team members if you need any help. Thanks for watching.